Hi, this your boy Ten, Allkandy.com. We out here in the sun. First time I get a chance to film war out in the sun, just so you can see what it looked like with the sunlight. With the sunlight, this is it. War, wood apple rain. It's on the shadow side. Just so you can see it during the sunlight, so you can see what it looked like. At 5 o'clock, what you would see coming down the street on your town. You can see what it's doing. It's going from that green to the gold. We got them hundreds all in the roof. Back on up, you see that wood. See that wood. Back out. Behind the chopper. 24 is behind the chopper. It's the same deal, like I say. This is Allkandy.com. That's what it looked like from the back. We got them bills all in the roof, floating. Down along the sides. This is 10, Allkandy.com, 318-918-0331. Caught it over here at this house. R.I.P. Little Terry. But this is war. In the sun. Showing you what that candy do in the sun. This is 10. Allkandy.com. War, wood, apple, rain. You can see what that grain looks like at 5 o'clock. Midday. Sunset, that's how you'd be looking coming down your town. This the wood apple rain, 24s with 22-inch brake dust covers with them wood grain discs behind the wheel, chopping them up. This is 10, Allkandy.com, R.I.P. Little Terry. This is just so YouTube, MySpace, and everybody can see what it looked like in the sun. And like I say, we was floating them hundreds, boy. He made it rain. He made it rain. That wood, apple, rain. Allkandy.com. This is 10, 318-918-0331.